We had been interested in solar for quite some time. However, I always thought the price of it was unaffordable. One day I was messing with the computer online and I happened to go to Angie's list, and I got several recommendations, and Corey's was one of them. Of course, he called me immediately. I don't even believe it was a day. I don't think it took over 3 weeks from start to finish to get the meter changed and get it producing. And I've been very, very happy with it ever since.
If I could describe Earthright Mid-Atlantic in 1 or 2 words, I would say trustworthy and dependability. And it was just amazing work. When they said they were going to be here, they were here. And I mean, it takes a lot off of the customers when you're working with a company like that. Corey's crew took care of it all. They took care of the building permits, they took care of the net metering. Oh, it's kind of exciting when you get your electric bill now to open it and see how many credits that you have. And people, they're already struggling to pay their utility bill. But if they can invest in solar panels, then they can build their own electricity and not have that bill coming in. It's like a win-win situation. I mean, when it's sunny outside, you love it. It's building, money in your pocket. And that's what I think a lot of people don't understand. They think they will still have a big utility bill if they invest in solar.
And since we got the solar going, we've not paid a bill. We couldn't be any happier.